Hello guys, I have a 2014 Toyota Sienna LE and I have an issue with the rear door or sliding door. When you open, it open perfectly, but when I try to close, it not close by itself. It just move little bit and it stop. And I see the computer, they have a code inside like a B2223 on a passenger side. So when I check everything good, but just only this lock assembly is not good. So it now release the unlock to close the door. So this I change it, this one completely, and it works perfectly. So it's open, okay, and when I change this switch before, it's not closed by itself. When I try to close, it just a little bit stuck, and that's it. When I try to switch, everything is not working. But when I change this lock assembly, and then it worked perfectly. So you know how to go dealer, just change it this piece, and it's okay. It's hard to little bit change it, like maybe I have to take out this is door panel, and you have a 4 screw back, 1 screw on a sideway and 3 screw here. Just take off here and pull it out. So easy to change, but it's okay. All right, so this is have a passenger side, sometimes have a driver side, and you have an issue like B2224. So just change the lock and everything works fine. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.